Let's talk about what SEO really is and how it works with your website to help your business grow online. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of strategies to help your website rank higher in Google search results. SEO improves what's already on your website, like your headings, text, images, speed, and structure, so Google can understand and rank your business. If your website wasn't designed by us and lacks SEO-friendly structure, a redesign may be needed. SEO won't work properly on a weak foundation. Our SEO packages do not include full website redesigns unless it's been specifically booked. These are two separate services. If your website was built elsewhere, we won't edit or correct spelling, grammar, or layout. We only focus on SEO optimization unless content editing was booked. If your website mentions only one of your services, that's the only one we can optimize for. SEO works with what is already on your site. We've had clients say SEO didn't work, only to discover their site never listed all their services in the first place. SEO can't optimize what's not there. All keyword research, strategy, and search volume analysis done during SEO is the intellectual property of the person performing the work. These strategies are custom-built and not shared externally. At Bubble Bekkie, we focus on long-term results, transparency, and real growth. We don't promise instant Google magic, but we do promise quality work. You won't see results overnight. SEO takes time, consistency, and regular updates. But when done right, it helps your business grow every month. Before SEO starts, check that your website lists everything you offer. We work with what's visible, not with assumptions. We want your business to succeed online. With honesty, strategy, and results, let's work together to build your brand the right way. Bubble Bekkie, we don't just manage your marketing, we help you understand it.